In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase of fixed asset in Teleprime. As we can see here, on 14th of January, it says Suzuki pickup motor vehicles bought by paying check, and the check number is 8802 by Bank of America. So let's see how we can deal with this transaction in Teleprime. First of all, from the debook, I'll just switch to the voucher creation mode. It's very simple. Alternate A, just hit it. And in the payment mode, we are already here. And we need to deal with this particular expense since we are making the payment either by bank or check. So we will use the payment voucher for that. And we are paying by Bank of America. Let's choose that. And the date, I'll change all the dates to 31st. And let's create an account. Let's check first whether we already have any kind of motor vehicles account. No, we don't have it. So let's create it. Alternate C. We'll name it as motor vehicles. It comes under fixed asset. All the other information is okay. Press Ctrl A. And now we are back on the screen. The amount is 50,000 and hit enter. We can specify how we are paying this. If we are paying this by some other method, we can mention it like this. But let's say that we are paying by check. And this is the amount. We can mention any reference number here, instant number. And in the narration, I'll just copy and paste that. Press Ctrl A to save. And this is how we can purchase the fixed asset by paying it against the bank account in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.